Hey, what's up guys? It's Jose with shredded.com, and in today's video I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look at the Kinobody superhero bulking program. You're going to look at the screen as if you were already a member of the program. And this program was created for people that are already advanced. If you're a beginner, you don't want to start here. You might want to go to my website shredded.com, where I have other reviews from other Kinobody programs. But this one is for people that have been training for at least 3 years, and the reason for this is because it's a little bit different than other Kinobody programs. Other Kinobody programs are programs where you have a workout where you include multiple body parts, and for the superhero bulking program it's a little bit different. You're going to be focusing on a couple body parts maybe, but you're going to be adding a lot of volume to each of those body parts. And the reason for this is because as you get more advanced in bodybuilding and getting bigger, it gets a little bit harder to make gains. So you have to specialize. You have to focus more on certain areas during your workouts. So a little bit about the superhero bulking program. It's divided into 4 phases. Phase 1 is going to involve building the chest and the back, and it lasts for about a couple months. Now in this phase you're going to start to see your chest start to pop out a little bit more. Your shoulders are going to look wider, so it's going to give you a bigger looking back, which is going to give you a better V-shaped back. And that's phase 1. Phase 2, you're going to focus more on the shoulders. And if you notice people at the gym that have nice shoulders, nice rounded shoulders that stick out, that's the look you want to go for in this program. Phase 2 focuses on that, on bigger shoulders. That's going to give you a bigger back. Anytime you have a big cap shoulder, you're just getting wider. You look bigger. You look more muscular. So that's the look you want to look for. You want to go for. And then phase 3 and phase 4 of the program is going to focus more on the arms and the legs. Of course, you're tying everything together, but the focus for these 2 phases are arms and legs. And of course, that's going to last about 2 months as well. Now, this course is going to focus on 2 training protocols. You have reverse pyramid training, RPT, that's going to help you to build more strength, add more muscle, and create more hypertrophy, where your muscles are going to look more big, more dense. And also rest pause training, where you're pulling more nutrition to the muscles to make them look bigger, more hypertrophy as well. So RPT and both are RPT, rest pause training and reverse pyramid training. So those are the 2 main protocols Greg uses inside the program as far as the training goes. Now, for the nutrition part, you're going to use 2 different strategies. As our other courses that Greg teaches, he uses intermittent fasting to reduce fat and to create a caloric deficit in the morning when you first wake up. He emphasizes that for you not to eat within 6 hours after waking up, and then you can start either training during that time period or just eat after those 6 hours. So it incorporates intermittent fasting and something that's called alternating caloric days. So you have high calorie days that are going to put you over a caloric surplus, and you also have low calorie days. And the purpose of low calorie days is to basically upregulate your anabolic receptors and improves insulin sensitivity. And what that's going to do is that it's going to basically help you to set yourself up so that when you consume higher calorie days, you're going to intake a lot of those nutrients, and it's going to make you gain muscle faster. So let's go inside the program now. Now that I gave you an overview, I'm going to walk you inside the program so you can look and see what you're getting right before you commit to make this purchase. And if you do, I can guide you into getting a $20 discount as well. If you're looking over here on the left side of the screen, we have the beginning of the program. We're going to start on section 1 here, the superhero physique. Now this is chapter 1, what the course is all about, and I basically just gave you an overview of what the course is all about. Chapter 2, it's going to talk about superhero specialization. As I mentioned, this program, you're going to specialize. You're going to focus on certain body parts, adding more volume than other Kinobody programs. Chapter 3, superhero training, RPT, and rest pause. Once again, I just summarized that. Rest pause training and reverse pyramid training. Chapter 4, superhero legs. Section 2 is the workout routines. In Chapter 5, Phase 1, you have a chest and back specialization. Chapter 6, Phase 2, you have a shoulder specialization. Chapter 7, Phase 3, arm specialization. In Chapter 8, you have a superhero bonus phase. And then he has 2 workout videos in this section of the program. Workout 8 lasts about 10 minutes. Workout B about 13 minutes. Now, section 3 talks about measuring progress. You have superhero physique standards and then strength standards. And this is basically showing you how to progress with your strength, how to go from one movement to the next movement, and every workout trying to do a little bit more. And this is where reverse pyramid training is going to come in as well. You want to add a little bit more to that first set so that you get stronger and slowly progress to add more muscle. Section 4, nutrition, superhero physique nutrition, bonus muscle building hacks. And section 5, conclusion. Then you have superhero physique, more stuff about the superhero physique. And as always, he gives you a bunch of bonuses. You have the cardio section, lower body power and density routine, muscle building formula, the superhero lifestyle, fitness tracker, hacking the Hollywood physique, superhero guide to dating, superhero in the sack, style guide, 20 outfit ideas, and the Thor physique workout. So that's an overview of the whole program, behind the scenes of the program, so that you know exactly what you're getting before you commit to purchasing this program. And now I'm going to show you how to get that $20 discount. So for that, you're going to head over to shreddeddad.com. That's my website where I have a bunch of Kinobody reviews. And let's go there right now. So this is shreddeddad.com. When you get to shreddeddad.com, you're going to head over to the menu section and you're going to see a Kinobody coupon menu item there on the top. You're going to click on that, and what it's going to do is it's going to bring you over to this video over here. That video shows you exactly how to get $20 off any Kinobody program. All you have to do is go through the video, follow what it says, and then you're going to click on the blue link right below the video, and then it's going to walk you to that area where you can get that $20 discount. So I hope you like the information in this video, guys. If it was helpful for you, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions or comments about any Kinobody programs, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. And otherwise, now you have a behind the scenes look at the whole program, what it's all about, and how it can help you to get bigger in a more natural way without any steroids, just the way Greg does it for Kinobody. Once again, thank you for watching the video. Have a great day and keep making those gains.